So hi guys, we'll be continuing with the previous code which we had left. So what we'll be doing is we will be generating a random secret number between two arguments. Okay, so we'll be using a crate. So a crate is basically a module which other people have built, and we can include it in our dependencies to use it as our dependencies. Alright, so now we'll be editing those. You'll be using this rand library. We'll be creating a secret number, which will be the secret number generated from the rand function, from the rand crate. Like we'll be using the rand crate secret number. So this this for us returns a random number generator, and then we generate the number using this method which is defined in the random generator. Also we loop the whole thing. This puts this code in infinite loop. Let's then we need to include the RNG trait. Now our input is in integer type, and the guess which we are the thing we are guessing is in a string type. We need to convert that into integer. So let's convert that into integer. So this semicolon and U32 suggests that we are converting this to a unsigned in the 32-bit integer, and then we'll be using a match expression. Match expression, what it does is actually if then it's a if then rule. It has many arms, so I'll be explaining a little further, like what is a arm. So the result of the, if it is a number, what we'll be doing is we will be trimming any white space characters or new line characters and passing the whole thing. And if the passed thing is a num, then what we'll be doing this the thing I'm writing now is a arm. ARM is basically a pattern and a corresponding code. And this is a catch all ARM, where anything other than a string is will be we'll just not catch that thing. Like we'll continue the code, we'll not stop at that code, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be using a match expression to compare the code. What we'll be doing is comparing the secret number with the guest number. So from the standard library we'll be using the compare function, and from that we'll be using the ordering type, which is a enum, and it's at variants like less, equal and greater. So we'll be defining the first arm of this match. If the arm that matches is less, we'll be defining as println. We'll be printing and notifying the user that the number entered is smaller than the secret number. And there is also, let me just copy paste this 3 lines. If it is greater, I'll notify the user that it is too big. And if it's equal, then what we'll be doing is printing out to the user that number entered was the correct number, and he has won the game. And we'll be breaking the loop here. Like if the user wins the game, we'll be breaking the loop here. So we'll be building the Rush project. So cargo build. Let's check if there are any errors. Okay, now that is importing the rand crate first, and then will be, so there must be something. Okay, I didn't enter a semicolon after this. Okay, there's something. Yeah, there's a lot of semicolons to be put. Okay, I did not put the scope operator here, that's why. So let's build it again. Okay, I forgot to put the semicolons. A lot of semicolons I forgot to put. Let's just okay, this is a function method. Okay, there's like we need to put comma between the patterns so as to be able to match with them. Okay, it built the program. Let's run our code now. So we'll be playing with this number. Okay, number was 98. So that was it. Was the guessing game we're using Rust, and I hope you had something to learn. Let's review the code if you want. So these are the crates. The RAND crate we used. We had imported here, and then we like introduce some traits using the use keyword, and then we guessed this was a code to guess the number, and this was the let keyword was used to create the variable, the secret number, and we put the guessing in a infinite loop, so that the user guesses the number till he guesses the number multiple times. Okay, and then we learned about the match expression, which was comparing the secret number with the various arms, and if it is what yeah, so that was it about the guessing game using Rust. Thanks.